All right, if you are looking for a real slip and slide, check this out. DIY style, durable, last forever, and mobile. Pretty simple to use. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly this was made and give you some pointers. So let's get started. All right, so what's wrong with the old slip and slides, or the ones that you buy at the store, right? Well, they're usually too short. They're not wide enough. They tear. They're super flimsy. We've gone through several of them over the course of a couple of years. So this one, durable DIY approach, and it's a little more expensive, I would argue, up front, but you're going to get a lot of value for it because it lasts forever. So basically we're looking at, check out this. You buy this huge piece of super thick plastic and super long plastic. You fold it over, and then you put like a shower curtain on the middle of it, and you kind of fold it over so that you can basically roll it up, right? You can see kind of how that works. And then you go to the hardware store and you look for some tent stakes or something that's rounded, anything sharp, right? And you push those in, you drill some holes into the ends like that. And this is optional. You don't have to have that shower curtain piece. You can certainly just roll it up. That's fine. And then you put some black duct tape on the corners where you want to secure these plastic tent stakes that you would buy. And that basically allows for some durability, right, of the actual tent stake going through the plastic. By the way, if you're liking this so far, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with somebody. Lots of home projects around the house. I put out videos every week or so I'd love to have you join the channel. So welcome. And if you're returning, good to have you back. So check out these kiddos. Birthday party. We got this thing rolled out, and it's folded over, right? And here it is. The plastic is not torn because we use that double, or that black, you can use gray, duct tape. And then from there, it's just a matter of kind of pushing the water out. We've got a hill on the backyard, obviously. Undoing the tent stakes. And then rolling it back up. Now, you do want to make sure this is adequately dried. One downside is that it's actually so long. How do you dry this out adequately? There might be water underneath or in the middle trapped as well. So this is a vapor barrier, so no moisture is getting through. So you got to open it up. You got to let it dry out under the hot sun. We've got it draped over our deck here to dry out adequately because you don't want to roll this thing up when it's wet. That's going to be a nasty surprise for you later. But anyway, a durable approach to slip and slide fun for the kiddos. Hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.